Hello, thank you for watching Mr. A's Montessori channel. Today I'd like to show you how to use the brown stairs. The first step is to show the child how to get the brown stair from the sensorial shelf. Instead, I will be showing from the part where all the prisms are placed on the work mat already. Then demonstrate to the child how to hold each prism. Begin with the thinnest prism and explain to the child that it is held using the thumb, index finger, middle finger, and ring finger, and using the other hand to support the bottom. The larger prisms are held using both hands, holding each ends. Mention to the child that the thinnest prism is 20 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. And the thickest prism is 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. The length for each prisms are the same and the height increases by 1 centimeter per prism. Explain to the child that you are going to build a stair using the prisms. Place each prisms in random order on the work mat, not touching each other. Find the thickest prism and compare it in size to the other prisms by holding the two ends and squaring it to show the child that it is the thickest. Then put the prism in front of the child on the work mat with the square ends pointing towards the child. Find the next thickest prism and compare it in size and place it slowly on the right of the first prism so the square ends are touching each other. Find the other prisms the same way as above. Look at the completed brown stair from all angles with the child. Carefully slide your hand on the top of the brown stair from left to right and mention to the child how the size changes from thickest to thinnest. Make sure all the prism placement order is correct by using the smallest prism to see if there is a 1 centimeter gap or not. Take the brown stairs apart and place the prisms in random order and have the child repeat the activity. When the child finishes the activity, show them how to put the brown stair back on the shelf starting from the thickest prism. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child further about width and height. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and press the like button.